the pop-up message. Now, you might be outside Telegram, and then when a message comes in, you will receive the message as a pop-up. Let me show you an example. Watch. As you can see, a message that was sent to a Telegram group chat got to me using a pop-up message as a notification. So instead of me constantly being in that group trying to see what latest message is there, all I have to do is go about my normal business, and when there's a message, I will receive the pop-up message as a notification. I'll teach you how to do that in the next 2 seconds or less. The first thing you want to do is to go to your Telegram settings, phone settings, click on app info, click on notifications, and ensure that this show notifications or toggle button is allowed, is activated. And then if you have many accounts, many Telegram accounts, ensure you turn off others and only turn on the one you want to make use of. For now, I make use of this my other account for notifications. As you can see, I've turned off others. Okay, I think, yeah, is it only one account I have? Perhaps. But as you can see, I turned off this Usaulema, but I'm currently using this researcher for notification. This is the first thing you need to do. Ensure the notification for the application is on. Then secondly, come to your Telegram application, go to settings, below, scroll downwards, click on notifications and sounds. Let your settings be like mine. This button should be on, these buttons should be turned off. Then your settings should be like this. Your settings should be like this, just like mine. Just follow, just activate yours exactly like mine. Alright, then after that, under these groups, you click on groups. Now you click on groups. When you click on groups, the particular group you want to always receive notification for, that is pop-up notification for, you select it and then set a customized notification for it. So you click on add exception, then you select the group chat. Let me select this Oshitech Agro Room. Then you set the customized notification for that particular group chat like this, as I've set mine. Turn on notifications, turn on show message previews. Let this be default, let vibration be default. Then for these smart notifications, select 11 times 1 minute. 11 times 1 minute. Then priority, urgent, pop-up notifications enabled. After that, click on done, and you notice that the name, under the name of the group chat, it will be showing custom. You are done with the application, like inside the Telegram application. The next thing you need to do now is go to the app settings again. Let me show you that. I forgot to mention that earlier. So you come to the full settings for the app, then you look for something like this appear on top. For your own phone, it might show something else. It might show, perhaps I've forgotten the second name it has for other phones, or for some phones I've forgotten, but for mine it says appear on top. Or perhaps yours could be display on top, yours could be picture in picture. Yes, yours could be picture in picture, but mine is appear on top. So you click on appear on top. If yours is picture in picture, click on it, then activate it, give it permission, so that the pop-up notification would appear on top of any application you are using at that moment. If you are currently on WhatsApp and there's a message on Telegram for that particular group chat, the pop-up notification will show on top that WhatsApp or whatever you're doing. All right, very important. When you are done setting your notification in the Telegram application and the Telegram app phone settings. Ensure you come to this app phone settings and click on force stop, or you restart your phone. It's only when you force stop the application or you restart your phone, that's when all what you've set would apply. All right, take note. If you don't restart your phone or click on force stop, it won't apply. It is only when you do that, only when you click on force stop or you restart your phone, that's when it would apply. So this is how to turn on pop-up notification for Telegram.
Jesus said, "Take heed, therefore, that the light which is in thee be not darkness." When a room is dark, you use light to find your way. The light helps you to locate your path, your direction, and you don't stumble. But Jesus is saying, be careful so that what directs your path in life is not an evil desire. That's what it means for light to be darkness. Be careful lest what define your choices, what determine your decisions are evil desires. You see, every day you are going to make decisions, you're going to make choices. But what is driving all that? If it is an evil desire, at the end of it, sin is produced, which will, among every other consequence, attract an eternal punishment at the end of your life.